For the emergency healing concentrated mixture, it's 1/4 teaspoon sea salt dissolved in 1 ounce of purified water with a dash of hydrogen peroxide. Here's how it is. Here's your water, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and a dash of peroxide. Mix. And apply with a folded tissue or cloth. Dip the tissue into the solution and fold over the ear. Let soak and then begin your compressing motions to work out any fluid or dead cell waste. Change the tissue as needed or cloth till the piercing is clean, and then you might want to follow with the piercing balm, and that is in my other video. Look for piercing balm. Apply your folded saturated tissue or cotton cloth to the ear for several moments. Then begin compression motions, gently squeezing the ear. If there are fluids or debris present, then change your tissue and obviously resaturate. Change the tissue several times or as needed, working out all the dead cell waste or fluids from any blister that may be present in the back of the ear. Continue with the compression motions till all fluids are worked free or up to several minutes. These compression motions can be used with standard sea salt solution or the emergency concentrated mix. See your aftercare instruction sheet for details on the different recipes of sea salt solutions.